How to install your washing machine. Lift the box up off of the top of the machine, tilt the machine to one side and remove the polystyrene base and carefully set the machine back down. Before you can operate your washing machine, you'll first need to remove the transit bolts. If they're not removed, it can cause excessive noise and vibration from the appliance and could cause it to malfunction. The transit bolts are in the back of the machine. Unscrew them, but do not discard the bolts. You will need to put them back in for transporting the machine. The location of your machine is important. It must be on horizontal solid floor and it must be level. If it's installed on unsuitable flooring, it can cause excessive noise and vibration and again could cause the machine to malfunction. You can adjust the machine's level by loosening the fixing nut and turning the adjustable legs. Don't forget to tighten the nut back up when you're done. When connecting the inlet hose, you should never reuse an old hose set. You need to connect the inlet hose tightly to the water supply and then the other end securely onto the inlet valve on the machine. Make sure that there are no kinks in the hose. If your washing machine is having trouble spinning and is sticking in the cycle, at 11 minutes in particular, it is very rarely a fault with the machine. If the machine cannot balance the load, it will come up with an error code of UE. Pause or stop the machine and it will release the door. This may take a minute, so don't worry if it doesn't click right away. Open the door and remove the washing and shake it out a bit. Reload the machine, ensuring that the washing is not tangled up in a heavy solid bundle. In some instances, it may be that the load is not full or heavy enough and you may need to just put a few more items in with it. Close the door and press start and the cycle should continue.